Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Tanzania. You can see it has a rectangular shape and we already have put some stripes here inside it. Let's draw the black color in the middle portion. Okay, so this is the black color and fill up the area. All right. And we're going to fill it up with a 6B pencil to make the border looks solid and more solid. Okay, and now we're going to put the green color on the top. It's a solid green color. Let's put the green with the pencil. Okay, it's some types of light green. Yeah, so this green is visible. Let's combine it with the light green color. Then we're going to get almost the actual color. Okay, now I'm going to put the light green here. All right. Okay, so the texture variations is very lively, looks good. You can see the colors of the green here. Okay, and the blue color you can have in this place. Okay, let's put the blue color. All right, blue color you can see. Okay, and we're going to put the green colors on the two sides. So let's put a green, sorry, the yellow solid yellow color on the two sides. And the flag drawing is complete. So you can see the usual presentations for the flag of Tanzania. Looks good. If we like, we can make the more dark and more uniform by putting a second layer shades to make it looks darker. Okay, so I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.